Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your USB-C port feels loose, you're likely experiencing charging issues. This can happen due to wear and tear over time or accidental damage. If left unrepaired, it may lead to further complications, such as complete charging failure or even damage to your device's motherboard. To fix this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, tweezers, and a replacement USB-C port. First, ensure your Lenovo ThinkPad is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic prying tool to separate the back panel from the laptop. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the USB-C port on the motherboard. This is typically situated near the edge of the laptop. Gently disconnect any cables that may be blocking your access, being cautious not to pull too hard. Once you can see the USB-C port clearly, you'll need to unscrew it from the motherboard. Remember to note the type of screws used, as they may be different sizes. Carefully lift the old USB-C port out. With the old port removed, take your new USB-C port and position it in the same place, securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure it's firmly in place to prevent future issues. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are seated properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, making sure they're tightened securely but avoiding over-tightening, which could strip the screws. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkPad and check that the USB-C port is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to handle your USB-C cables gently and avoid yanking them out forcefully. Additionally, consider using a protective case for your device to shield it from potential damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.